Ijoma,
a fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
yes, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
yes, oh yeah.
Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles.
A symbol of our tradition and respect.
Chide, Chidokwa, kedu? Ị na-edekwa? Ị dechala? You done?
Almost.
Almost. Chiagozie, how are you? You dechala? Almost. Finish up. We have the set time. Oh, beautiful. You see there? Okay.
That's 100. Ne a re a nare. Don't spell it English. Remember now in the alphabet.
Can you see this?
Ne a re a nare. See I got in Korea.
Can you see this?
Okay, because of the course handwriting. Okay, continue. It's 100 nare. Ne a re e nare. Mela wada zita. Check the grammar board.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, but finish.
I'm gonna capture both of this. Maybe it's famous.
For Jidofo.
What number are you?
I got number 90.
90?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I stop here or just keep going between 1 to 100?
Yeah, keep going to 100. So, does it come from again? Let me see your size. That is. Thank you. Well, yeah, it's a good job, or you say, job well done. It's good job, job well done. Good job, job well done. They are all the same. So, GCK, job well done. GCK, good job. It's a way of encouraging people to say, thumbs up, doing well.
Canada, come to Passa. I don't check as well. I'll say you, Mama.
What can I know?
How are you?
I'm also. So.
Let me see. Swahili.
Let's check the book.
Ọbụna mgbada na n'anya mmanụ kwa ụbọchị ọbụna anwụcha ma na anyị ga-egwu mmiri mana ọ bụrụ na oyi na-atụ mgbada ruo ala
Yes.
okay mana ọ bụrụ na mgbada ruo ala ọ bụrụ na oyi na-atụ ọnya ngwo na ya ma mmiri when I get downstairs I'll check if the weather is conducive for swimming or swim instead. I also wish to swim. That's my best of sports.
Yes, same as me.
Yeah.
Unless I'll be very disappointed. When are we going to do football?
Football? You came with ball?
No.
Okay. We're also going to be doing treasure hunts.
Okay. If it's not. You didn't try your hand too cold. If it's too cold, for what? We actually. What are we going to get when we get Easter? It's not even Easter. No, you are doing
Is it?
Past Easter. So what are we exactly? What are we going to be looking for?
Yes, I'm going to be having candies at different places. So, chocolates, so many things that we have. Okay.
Nobody finds them at the end.
Definitely people will find.
So I will find.
Yes, exactly.
I will find all of them.
I'm checking my room first.
First, I'm going to check.
We are not doing it.
First, I'm
It's not
going
gonna
to
be
check
off.
on the moon.
It's not going to be off. I am a man, so we'll be doing it downstairs.
What kind of thing is this? So if it's inside the
Inside the flower.
Nare. 100. Nare.
On the cardboard.
Nare. 100 is what?
Fingers crossed.
Wait, this?
Yeah. R. This is R. Re. It's R. It's R.
So can we just make up the numbers, please?
Cha Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Cha Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezuonu. Ngwa ka anyị kelee Oriakụ Ogechukwu. Anyị kelee ya ka anyị sị ya. I said, let's thank our auntie who has taught us. So what do we tell her? What do we tell her? Kedu ife anyị ga-asị ya? Ngwa ka anyị kụpụrụ na aka. Yeah. So, ihe mmụta nke abụọ anyị n'ụtụtụ a ga-abụ ezi na ụlọ.
That's no. That
Okay.
something to this. That is act ahead.
Ezi n'ụlọ.
Yes.
Mana ka o zikọ ka esi ma ọ dị.
Ewo,
Ngwa na-enye anya. Chiagozie. Ọ maka ka jụọ onye na ngwa gbanyụọ ọnya. Ya gbanyụọ ọnya. Good. So, that's not the reason why I put on the AC for you to now place your head on the table and sleep off while class is going on. No. So because you want to sleep, get the AC switched off. I'm not saying why you shouldn't have placed your head on the table. Because you do see Neno table. Okay. Nebu gani. Anyị na-enebara anya ihe mmụta anyị nke abụọ bụ gịnị? Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Okay? Ezinụlọ. Okay? Ezinụlọ. Nke ndị bekee na-akpọ gịnị? Family members. Family members. Okay? So if I got ife mmụta anyị nke abụọ, oge anyị kụziri nkụzi nnyaa, anyị mekwa ka ụmụ mata ụfọdụ ndị nọ n'ezinụlọ dịka nne m, nna m, dede, dada na ndị otu ya. So n'ụtụtụ a anyị na-enebalụ ezinụlọ anya. Ngwa na-anya n'ihe onyonyo a. Can you please look up to the screen? You are distracted. Something is distracting you there. And what's that?
Turn your seats to face that.
Hmm?
Turn your seats.
Okay. So, we'll say, ige. Stop and listen up. Ngwa na-anya n'ihe onyonyo a. nke izizi bụ gịnị? Nke izizi bụ gịnị? Nwụọ na-ekwusie n'okwu ike. Nke izizi bụ gịnị? Nne m. Ịtụgharị anya n'onu bekee, ọ bụrụ gịnị? I can't hear you.
My mother.
Translating it to English, it becomes what?
My mother.
In Igbo language is what? Name. So from today henceforth, bido ugbu a wee gaba, ọ bụrụ na ị na-alụọ be gị, ịfụ nne gị, kedu ife ị ga-akpụ ya? When you get back home and see your mom, what would you call her?
Nne.
What would you call her?
Nne.
Nne. You wake up in the morning, you see your mom, kedu ife ị ga-asị ya? What would you tell her in the morning? Good. It's either you telling her, ụtụtụ ọma nne m, or you tell her, nne m, ụtụtụ ọma. Kedu ife m kwuru? What did I say? Repeat after me. When you wake up in the morning, you see your mom, what would you tell her? Ụtụtụ ọma nne m, or nne m, ụtụtụ ọma. Are we following? Beautiful. Mgbadeni ya, ọ bụrụ na unu edego isiokwu bụ ezinụlọ, unu ede family member, ọ bụrụ na unu edego ya, unu ebido, unu wee de nne m. You write the translation, my mother. My mother. A time will come, we'll start making sentences with these family members. Okay? Aha. Who can make a sentence with nne? Ụtụtụ ọma nne. That's a good sentence. Daalụ. Nne m, kedu afa gị? Mom, what's your name? Nne m, gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Mom, what do you want? Gịnị bụ afọ gị? Or afọ ole ka ị dị? What can I hear you say? Nne m, afọ ole ka ị dị? Ole ka ị dị? That's mom. How old are you? Jide, can I hear you make sentence with the word nne? Nne m ka ọ dị. That's mom. Bye. Mom, take care. Mom, see you. That is nne m ka ọ dị. Can I ever say nne m ka ọ dị? Nne m ka ọ dị. At what point would you tell your name, your mom, nne m ka ọ dị? At what point? When she's leaving. Maybe she goes for school runs, she drops you off from school, and she's about to leave. You tell her what? Nne m ka ọ dị. Okay? Beautiful. Or she drops you off for camp, and she's about to leave. You say, darling, please do take care of yourself. My girl, biko, badukwa anya, nelu onwe gị anya. Ọpụwazi si ya, nne m ka ọ dị. Can I say nne m ka ọ dị?
Nne m ka ọ dị.
So most of the times, nne m ka ọ dị is always accompanied with a wave, isn't it? Nne m ka ọ dị. Can I see you do this? Nne m ka ọ dị. Beautiful. So the next on the slide we'll have is what? Nnam. Nnam. My father. Nnam. Nnam. My father. So if there is a mother, there will be what? A father. Ọ bụrụ na e nwere nne, a ga-enwerịrị gịnị? Nna. Ọ bụrụ na e nwere nne m, a ga-enwerịrị nna m. Nne means mother. Nne means what? My mother. Nna means father. Nna means what? My father. Beautiful. Good. Can we take it one after the other again? Can we make sentence with Nnam? Nnam. Nnam kedu. Daddy calls you on phone to know how you're faring in the camp. Is here, Daddy ụtụtụ ọma. No, not Daddy. Is here, Nnam ụtụtụ ọma. Nnam kedu. Do you get that? Good. Nnam ụtụtụ ọma. Or is here, ụtụtụ ọma nnam. If you don't want your daddy head to now burst, you just tell her, ezigbo nnam, my good father. Ezigbo nnam ụtụtụ ọma. Kedu ka ị mere?
So how do you spell Ezigbo?
Ezigbo is Ezigbo nnam. Are you?
Yes.
Ezigbo, E-Z-I-G-B-O. Ezigbo nnam. So, if you want your daddy to, like your daddy has to swell up, and you want him to buy you so many things when he comes back, like you want him to be proud of you that you've attended the Igbo Summer Camp 2026, you tell him, Ezigbo nnam ụtụtụ ọma, ezigbo nnam kedu ka ị mere? That means, my good father, how are you? Good morning, and how are you this morning? Okay? Are we good? Are we good? So who said, okay, who said nnam kedu? You are the one. Beautiful. Onye ọzọ. Make a sentence with nnam. Nnam achọrọ m abacha. Beautiful. Nnam achọrọ m abacha. You know what it means? Am I talking about?
Yes.
Yes.
My father, I want abacha.
Excellent. Beautiful. Nnam achọrọ m abacha. What again, abacha? And I must say, you like abacha? Do you like abacha? Oh, you don't like it? But you know what it means? That's a good one. Okay? So, nnam achọrọ m abacha. That's good. Good. Beautiful. Abacha does it? Nnam kodi. I would have loved that your kodi to be accompanied with a wave. I said it. Nnam kodi. That's that bye. That see you in the afternoon. That take care. That see you later. You know, things like that. So, nnam kodi. Okay, Jide, can I hear from you? Make a sentence with nnam. Ọ dị mma nnam. Daddy wakes up to ask you, Nna, Jide, kedu ka ị mere? You say, adị mma nnam. Okay? Adị mma nnam. Okay? That's Dad, I am fine. Adị mma nnam. Okay. Ngwa. Nnam ụtụtụ ọma. And that should be the first thing you do in the morning. If I daburu, if it's easy, or you get in n'ụtụtụ, ọ bụrụ na ịpụtụọla. Ịpụtụọla ka ife ga-agba nna gị. Ma ọ bụ isi ya gịnị? Ụtụtụ ọma nna m. And I told you, if when your daddy says to swell up, you say what? Ezigbo nna m ụtụtụ ọma. Maybe accompany with a hug. Ezigbo nna m ụtụtụ ọma. Kedu? Or ezigbo nne m ụtụtụ ọma. Are we good? The next slide. Oh. Ezinụlọ. Nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. That's what? My sister. Are we good? Nwanne m nwanyị. Let's see how beautiful these two girls are looking on the screen. Fam, Waka. Oh, because they're AI. Wow, that's beautiful. It's so much look alike. All right. So, nwanne m nwanyị. My sister. Nwanne m. Okay, ọ bụrụ na ị nwere nwanne nwanyị wenye aka gị elu. If you have a sister, can I see your hands up? Either an elder sister or a younger sister. Okay? If you have a sister, can I see you raise up your hand?
You have a sister?
Okay, beautiful. One name, one. It's okay. Who makes sentence with us for us with one name, one? One name, one. Okay. Hey, because call on the Call on the clap for her. Did you hear what she said?
Yes.
One name, one. My sister, come and do what? Eat. One name, one. Come and eat. My sister, come and eat. Beautiful. Yes? One name, one. Call on the excellent. One name, one. Biasa efere. My sister, come and wash plates. Okay? One name, one. Choro iri indomie. That's good. Call me, one name, one. Choro iri indomie. That's good. Yes? One name, one. Bia. Can I hear you say that? One name, one. Bia. Or you can tell her, one name, one. Biko. Bia. It means what? My sister, please come. My sister, please come. One name, one. Biko. Bia. That's good. Alright? But have a sister, we also have what? A brother. So we have, can we read it? Can you go if you phone your
Okay.
Can you go if you One name, Mwoke. Good. One name, Mwoke. Can I hear you say that? One name, Mwoke. What does one name Mwoke means?
My brother.
My brother. My what? My brother. Just like we have one name Wani. We have what? One name Mwoke. Only one name Mwoke ever. When you are I have a brother. Let me see your hands. Oh,
I have 4 older brothers.
you have 4 older brothers. Good. Odemma. Good. All right. So we are going to be making sentence with one name Mwoke. Listen up. Get on say. One name is name, but you don't make noise. Get on say. We're going to be making sentence with one name Mwoke. Who is ready? One name Mwoke. Okay? One name Mwoke. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good? Yes? Huh? Okay. Okay. One name Mwoke. Gasa ezegi. My brother, go and brush your teeth. One name Mwoke. Gasa ezegi. Good. Oh, we've heard that before. We've heard that before. Can we bring up another thing? Okay. Jide, can I hear you? Yes. Make sentence with one name Mwoke. Bia, one name Mwoke. My brother, please come. So when we add please to it, becomes what? Bia, Biko, one name Mwoke. Okay? Are we good? Okay. This is what? One name. This is what? One name. Have you written the form of the previous one? Why? What were you waiting for? Eh? Please don't try that next time. You have to be moving to the pace at which we are moving. Don't draw me backward. Okay, so finish up. That's where you are, right? Finish up and be smart. Okay, yeah, because it's funny. On isiokwu. Okay, imesigo? Ide chala? Okay. Ngwa. One name. Onye ga-agwa anyị ife dị iche na nwanne m ya na nwanne m nwoke ma ọ bụ nwanne m nwanyị. Who can tell us the difference between my sibling or my brother and my sister? You know, the initial slide we had before was showing nwanne m nwoke. The next one, nwanne m nwanyị. But this one is what? Nwanne m.
Because sibling is not, you do not know if it's a brother or a sister. The last ones were showing brother and sister.
Good. She got it right. If you watch here, you see we have my sibling. Okay? My sibling. One name. Okay? Good. The next slide. Wow. Dedim. My uncle. Dedim. That young man on the screen looks like Mr. Casey, isn't it?
Who's still Casey?
The one now.
Oh.
That's on the lighter notes. Dedim means what? My uncle. Okay? My uncle. Can you see that? Good. A very quick one. Can we make a sentence with Dedim? Let me give you one example. Let me start with a sentence. Kambuluzo. Achomi kuru Dedim. I want to speak with my uncle. Maybe it's quite long to hear from your uncle because he's not in Nigeria. You don't tell your mom, Nnem, Achomi kuru Dedim. It means, Mom, I want to speak with my uncle. Good. We all have uncles, isn't it? Either from our mom's side or from our dad's side. Ayin welo. Ejimaka na ini ne welo. Dede. Ngwa, oye ebido. Okay? Oh, dede achoro mozo. Maybe uncle visited you in the house and bought a whole lot of things for you, and the one he gave to you is finished. And all of a sudden he said, Dede, achoro mozo. Dede, can I please get some more? My uncle, please, can I get some more of these cookies? I think I like it. I love the chocolates. Dede, achoro mozo. Achoro chocolate ozo. Achoro shawarma ozo. Achoro pizza ozo. Achoro hamburger ozo. Okay? That's good. Excellent. Onye ozo?
No, I'm not ready.
Who is ready to make sentence with Dedim?
How do you say thank you?
How do you say thank you, kid? Since Sunday, and you asked me on Tuesday how we say thank you. We say thank you by saying what? Dalu. Dalu means what? Thank you. Or you say what? Emailer. Thank you means emailer. Or you can say Dalu. Either of the two. Oh, I know. Dedim. Dalu. Uncle has done a whole lot for you. And maybe he got so many things for you. And the best way you can just appreciate him is by saying what? Dedim. Dalu. Dedim achomi sorogi. My uncle, I want to follow you. Jide, you are distracted. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Bia Dedim. My uncle, please come. Okay? My uncle, please come. Dedim, Biko, Bia. Because Dede is an adult figure, like your mom's brother or your dad's brother. So, courtesy demand, we ask, please, if you want them to come to us, because we are supposed to go to them. Okay? So, you not say, Dedim, Biko, Bia. Can I hear you say that, everyone? Dedim, Biko, Bia. What does it mean? My uncle, please come. All right. Good. The next one. Dadam. Dedim. Dedem. Dadam means what? My aunt. Good. Dadam. Dadam, my aunt. Jeanette, can I help you make sentence with Dadam? Dalu, Dadam. Yes? She was here. Can I hear you make sense? What? Yes. Dadam, Biko, Achorum, chocolates. Dadam, because there's no Igbo word for chocolates, okay? So it's going to still be Dadam, Biko, Achorum, chocolates. Achorum, cookies. Yes? Otutuoma, Dadam. Or Ehihioma, Dadam. Okay, any other person? We go over to the next slide. Oh, can you see this? Who pronounces this for us? No, let me ask you to try. Jide, Wabanye. Look at the screen. Okay, it's okay. Let's break it down to different syllables. Ooh, let's take it. Ooh, right? Abi, that's the first syllable. Mu. Are we good? Mu. Name. How many syllables do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Jide, stop what you're writing and listen up. Let's take it. We're trying to pronounce this word. Okay? So let's go. Good. There's a difference between umunne and umunnem if n is added. Okay? Good. So, but what we have on the screen is what? Umunnem. That's the M. Yes, my cousins. Have you written that? Umunnem. Umunnem. Unedechala. Uwaneno ozo. Nekwazie. Mama who?
Mama.
The church doesn't pronounce it. In a way, Jisike. Mama gene. Nuku. Yes. Like a kind of big mommy. Like a kind of a grandma. Okay? Either you say Mama Nuku or you say what? Nne Oche. Or you say what? Am I the only one in this class? Good. Either you say Mama Nuku or you say what? Nne Oche. And the translation is what? Grandma. This one looks like Sisi Eko. This one does not look like one grandma. Huh?
Looks like a young girl.
A young girl with a very beautiful eyeglass, matching up with their tie and all that. That was a very beautiful artwork. And you say from what? You say from what? Where did we get this artwork from? From AI. Okay, that's on the lighter note. Mama Nuku or Nne Oche. Okay? Do you know if I sit properly? You're in the classroom. Mama Nuku Nne Oche. Are we good? Alright. Edechala? Edechala. Oh! And this is it here. You go.
Papa.
Or?
Nna Ochi.
Good. Excellent. Papa Nuku. Or you call him what? Nna Oche. Old man. Grandpa. This one, grandpa self is like, what's up, nigga, grandpa?
I just said to them.
Well carved.
You are very well carved. Look at his beard here. Look at his beard. Looking so neat and fresh.
Like your own.
Like my own, get it? My own is black now. His own is white.
Because he's old.
Because he's old. He's Papa Nuku. He's what? He's what? Oh, he's in Nauche. Grandpa. That's good. Have you written that? Onedechala? Jide Idechala? Jide Idechala? Idechala. Are you done writing? Idechala. Oh, sorry. All right. Ngwa, lekwa na anya na nke ọzọ.
This is right again.
The one we wrote before had no S, and that's why we just have one person. Yes. So this becomes what? Umunnem, my siblings. My siblings. Umunnem. Make sure you're writing the English translation so that it becomes easier for you. Umunnem, my siblings. Ayedesigo. Ayedesigo. All right. Jide Desigo. Okay. Oh. The last on the slide. Enyim. 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 Can I hear you say that again? Enyim. Good. Ejimaka no 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 eba wele ezigbo enyi. I want to believe everybody here has a good friend, isn't it? So, Iga Papanemu Afa Enyi Ta. You're going to tell me the name of your friend one after the other. Ayadi Jikere. Whether you're like your best friend, whether in school, anywhere, at home, anywhere. Maybe you come across the person in the party and all that. Iga Wani Afa Enyi. Okay? So, Enyi means what? My friend. Good. Ayadin Jikere. Ayadin Jikere. You tell me Ayadin Jikere. Are you ready? Are you ready? That's the meaning. Unadin Jikere. You tell me Ayadin Jikere. Unadin Jikere. Ayadin Jikere. Unadin Jikere. Don't forget if you're not talking. Unadin Jikere. Ayadin Jikere. Unadin Jikere. Unadin Jikere. What's the meaning of Unadin Jikere? Are you guys ready? Good. Unadin Jikere. Bulu Sobamu Aha Enyigi. Tell me the name of your friend. Yeah, so tell me the name of Baba Fenyigi.
Can I just say?
Okay, Chigozie.
Melvin Okonta.
No, bro, he's here. You guys say, Alpha Enyimbo Melvin Okonta. Alpha. Just like we said yesterday, Alpha Mbo. Alpha Namubo. Alpha Nemubo. Alpha Enyimbo. Beautiful. Alpha Enyi Chiagozebo. Beautiful Nebulo. You're talking in the class.
Shake it up.
Please listen up. Listen up. Okay? Chiagozie si na Alpha Enyi nwoke bụ Melvin Okonta. Okay? So, kedu Alpha Enyi gị? Ọ bụrụ Alpha gị, Alpha Enyi gị. So it's going to be, it's because we are talking when I was correcting him. Don't talk about it. The right thing is for you to listen up. Okay? If you must talk, you signify by raising up your hand. If I approve that, you talk. Okay? Good. So, we are looking at Enyim, my friend. So, and I said, everybody's going to tell us the name of this our friend here. Okay? Good. So, how do you introduce your friend to us? You don't tell us that. Alpha Enyim Bo Melvin Okonta. Just like he has told us the name of his friend. Beautiful. Kedu afa enyi gị? Good. Afa enyi Eunice bụ gịnị? Kamsiyochukwu Okoye. That's good. Ngwa, Shekina. Tehila. Wintenonu, you're not audible. Speak up.
Yes, sir, is gift a bosoje.
Okay. Afa enyi Shekina bụ what? Bụ gịnị? Gifts. I'm not doing if you.
A bosoje.
Okay, Ebozoje. That's good. So afa enyi Shekina bụ gịnị? Gifts. Ebozoje. That's good. Kedu afa enyi gị?
Afa enyi bụ Ivana Shipper.
Okay. Afa enyi Zoe bụ gịnị? Ivana Shipper. Beautiful. Jide, kedu afa enyi gị? Kedu afa enyi gị?
Cody name.
No, I didn't ask you to make sentence with name or Cody. It means you're not listening up. You're not listening up. Look at where we are. We are looking at family members. Okay? We've gone past name, Nnam. We are now in Enyim. And what did I say Enyim is? What? Do you have a friend? Do you have a friend? Beautiful. So the next question is, what is the name of your friend? So in Igbo translation, Kedu afa enyi gi? What's the name of your friend? It's just like I'm asking you, Kedu afa gi? What's your name? You say, Afam bo Jidolfo Ndi Igwe. Isn't it? Beautiful. Excuse me, I'm teaching him. Afam bo Jidolfo Ndi Igwe. Okay? Now, if you don't want to tell us about your friend, you now say, Afa enyim bu. So, kedu afa enyi gi?
Afa bo.
Abra afa gi, afa enyim
Afa enyim.
bu.
Represent the name.
Yeah, the name of your friend.
Afa enyi.
Bo. Ruben.
Ruben. Is that your friend's name? Beautiful. So, afa enyim bu Ruben. Ngwakwa onye ọzọ. Afa enyim bu Ruben. Say it again. Afa enyim bu Ruben. 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 So, ịchịkọta klas anyị ugbu a, ị ga-ede afa enyi gị. Ngwa. Kedu afa enyi gị? What's this? What's the meaning of this?
What's the name of your friend?
Yes, what's the name of your friend? So the response becomes what? Afa enyim bu. You now write your friend's name. Oh yeah, do that. Afa, write this. Kedu afa enyi gi? You put your question mark. Beneath it, you now write afa enyim bu. You complete that quickly. O nwere egwu onye nkuzi anyị ga-akụziri anyị maka ezinụlọ. Kedu ife m kwuru? O nwere egwu onye nkuzi anyị ga-akụziri anyị maka ezinụlọ. Our auntie is going to teach us a song, you know, indicating family members. Do you understand? So, ọ bụ na mmesịa onye nkuzi Oriakụ Ogechukwu ga-agbagote ma kụzikwara anyị egwu a nke ọma. Dịka ọ na-akụziri anyị ya, ka onye ọbụla gee ntị. Kedu ife m kwuru? Onye ọbụla mee gịnị? Gee ntị. You dechala? Good. I'll just pam over. Come After Enyimbo Kamsi Okoye. Excellent. Okay. Ozokwakwa. Aha Enyimbo gift. Beautiful. Good. So that's my class start for you. It is here. So, Afa Enyimbo. So, onwere egwu onye nkuzi ga-akụziela anyị. Dịka ọ na-akụziri anyị egwu a, onye ọbụla mepee ntị. Auntie is coming up to teach us a song as regards to our topic today, family member. As she's teaching us, please open up your ear and listen up very well. Okay? Afa Enyimbo, afụchakwa m ife anyị dere. Mama Kenya. Afa Enyimbo, Ruben. Correct. Ngwakọ n'aka. Knock yourselves, you've done so well today. Ngwakọ dị. Ụmụ akwụkwọ dị. Hey, kebọdị fún yasem. I'm not leaving the class. And I'm telling you Kodi. So what will you say? Kodi.
Ama m na anyị mụtara ọtụtụ ihe n'ụbọchị taa. Ekwela ka ụbọchị ọbụla ị nọrọ ebe a ka ọ na-adị n'iyi. Any day, any hour, any minute you spend here, don't waste it. Make use of it. Because your day is meant for it. So today, ama m na ị na-arụzie n'ụbọchị ndị ọzọ, n'izu ụka ọzọ, ihe na-akpọzi mama gị, nne gị, mami, dịka n'afọ Igbo, ị na-akpọ ya nne m.
So what will you be calling your mom from today henceforth?
Name.
Can I hear you very well?
Name.
Your dad?
Nah.
Your uncle?
Dede.
Your aunts?
Dada.
Your siblings?
Nwanne.
Beautiful, okay? Your friend?
Enyim. Chiagozie, your friend? Enyim.
Good.
Jido for your friend? Enyim. That's the name of your friend. Enyim means friend. Isn't it? Yes, don't confuse yourself. Okay. Ngwa na nchịkọta isiokwu nke ụbọchị taa anyị kpọrọ ezinụlọ. Enwere egwu anyị ga-agụ. Ọ ga-abụ mgbe niile egwu na-eme ụmụaka ka ha na-echeta ihe a kụziri ha n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. Ọ na-enyere ụmụaka aka. Egwu ahụ na-asị ọsị anyị ga-eji ndị ezinụlọ anyị dị iche iche were gụọ egwu ahụ. Ọsị ezi nna m kedu, ezi nne m kedu, ezi nwanne m kedu. That is my lovely father, how are you? My lovely mom, how are you? My lovely sister and brother, how are you? Ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, kedu ka ị mere? Ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m
Shekina.
kedu. Do you know for sit up?
Ezina.
Kedu.
Sit up.
Kedu ka ị mere? Ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, kedu ka ị mere? Go! Ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, ezi nna m kedu, kedu ka ị mere? You are asking your daddy, my lovely daddy, how are you today? And daddy will respond in Igbo or say, Adi mumma dalu. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you. Adi mumma dalu.
Can we say it together?
Adi mumma dalu. Kedu ka ị mere?
Everyone, let's clap.
Adi mumma
Dalu. Adi mumma dalu. Adi mumma dalu. Kedu ka ị mere?
No, what will happen is that now,
That is, it's a lesson.
all of you, for instance, you are picking in them. One name, everybody one team. Are we good? I'll stand. Vinay and Otto. Shebi, I and Auntie is singing. We are even doing the clapping. Stand up.
You are more capable than what?
So choose what to do now. When I see them on one day later.
You is capable.
Okay.
But sometimes
Okay.
praise is the blood
Checking and name.
that you are adding a condiment called
Who's saying it now?
in your sound.
Denise?
Check out the picture.
Nnam.
One name okay.
One name okay. One name.
One name why?
One name okay. Good. One name wine.
Yes.
Is for what?
Jide for
Jide. Yes. The last girl.
Zita.
Zita. Ezienyim. Zoe. Okay, good. Are we good?
Yeah.
Are we good? So I and Auntie is going to sing it for the last time. Number one, to give you the tune of the song. I'm not going to give you the tune of the song for the second time. So you listen up because we are singing it and all of you are so seated and you are relaxed. Okay? So listen to the tune of the song for the very last time now. Okay? So I and Auntie is going to sing it for the first and for the last time. When we finish, Shakira picks up. As Shakira picks up with Ezin name Kedu, Abi? Ezin name Kedu. So I and Auntie will reply you. Adi Mumadalu, Adi Mumadalu, Adi Mumadalu, Kedu Kinele. You know, if you are stopping, you need to speak stop immediately.
Yes.
Ezin nam Kedu. So, listen, I don't want any gap at all. All bridge should be covered up. I am in Jikere. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, do. Ezine, kedu, ezine, kedu, ezine, kedu, kimere, adimuma, dalu, adimuma, dalu, adimuma, dalu, kedu, kimere. Over to you. You not join my clap, Abi. She's not supposed to went to your top.
mwanya. Kedu kimere. Adi mumma. Dalu. Adi mumma. Dalu. Adi mumma. Dalu. Kedu kimere. Esenyi. Kedu. Ezigwenyi. Kedu. Well, let's sit on the chair. Let's sit on the chair. Have you cleaned your nose? You can do it very well. Do it properly. Yes.
You not do it very well.
No. Shakina, we're turning around. While he's doing that, we're turning around. Don't let that distract us. Keep it up. Let's go. Oh. Okay, Jide, how old is what again?
Come and say, oh, that's one name wine.
One name wine. Okay, okay. Are you good?
Yes,
Are you good?
one name.
Everybody, do is in one name wine. Kedu is in one name wine. Kedu kime. Adi mumma. Dalu. Adi mumma. Dalu. Adi mumma. Dalu. Kedu kime. Can we turn it on the chair now? Everybody. Is in one name. Kedu is in one name. Good. Let's sing. Beautiful. Okay. Another song. Auntie's going to teach us another song. Okay, to your seats.
You can sit.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Don't
I'm going to give all of you 5 marks. I'm so impressed.
I have 10 now.
You have 10 marks?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Come on. Let's continue. Beautiful. Yeah. Everybody takes 5 marks today. Okay? And I'm going to announce the best person, the best student of this class. Okay? The person gets extra 10 marks. The best student. Okay? Alright, let's go. Auntie, we are listening.
Yes. The next one says, we will sing it in English and interpret it in Igbo. Do you understand? It says, in the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. In the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. Wow!
Are we good? I am in Jikere. Cha Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Over. Again.
In the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. Changozi in our body we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. In the afternoon we say, Ehihie ọma.
That's how to greet in the afternoon.
Ehihie ọma.
Good.
Ehihie ọma. In the afternoon we say, Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Now let's start from the beginning.
Oh, good.
Can we?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we can. Did I say this?
Are we good?
Did I okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. In the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. In the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. Now say it now. Ututu ọma,
Ututu ọma,
Ututu ọma. In the morning we say, Ututu ọma, Ututu ọma. In the afternoon we say, Ehihie ọma, Ehihie ọma, Ehihie ọma. In the afternoon we say, Ehihie ọma, Ehihie ọma.
I'm with it.
In
I'm with Alma.
the evening we Kachifo. At bedtime we say Kachifo.
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 Kachifo. At bedtime we say Kachifo. Kachifo. And then our family members. So, I'm going to family members. Yes. So, what you call friend in Igbo? How do you say my friend? So you want to sing for your friend? Kedu.
Alright, let's go.
Kedu. Kedu. Kedu kimere. Adimuma. Adimuma dalu. Adimuma dalu. Adimuma dalu. Kedu kimere. Did you want
Mba. Afambo.
Achọbụ Shekina nke Igbo gị. Adobe kedu. Adobe kedu. Adobe kedu. Adobe kedu kimere. Adimuma. Adimuma.
That's your reply. Good.
Good job. Good job. Good job. What's the name? Wakego. Kedu.
Everyone, let's answer that.
Wakego. Kedu. Wakego. Kedu. Wakego. Kedu. Kimere. Adimuma. Zita, kedu, let's sing. Zita, kedu, Zita, kedu, Zita, kedu, kimere. Adimuma,
dalu.
Yes. That's why I said what's the name? Jide, Jidofo, kedu, everyone, Jidofo,
Beautiful.
kedu, Jidofo, kedu, Jidofo, kedu, Jimere, Adimuma, Egbe, Egbe, good job, what's the name? Chiagozie, let's go. Kedu, Chiagozie, Kedu, Chiagozie, Kedu, Chiagozie, Kedu, Kimere, Adimuma, Dalu, Adimuma, Kedu, Kimere. Now you sing for Munyemazi, 1 to go. Munyemazi, Kedu, Munyemazi, Kedu, Munyemazi, Kedu.
Ngwa tọrọ nwunye maazị aka. Ka isi na gịnị? Daalụ. Ka isi na gịnị? Daalụ. Good. How many of you enjoyed today's class? Good, beautiful.
So,
okay, we have multiple topics today for the first class. Anyị ka nwere isiokwu na-abụọ tupu anyị achịkọta n'ụtụtụ a. So, ife anyị na-edebara anya kịta bụ ife a na-akpọ all the parts of the body. All the parts of the what? The body. Body part sentences. Number 3, body parts. Okay? Good. All the parts of the body. All the parts of the body. Are we good? All the parts of the body. So, we're right. Let me tell you what to write. Isiokwu bụ gịnị? Akụkụ ahụ. Akụkụ. Onye nkuzi? Akụ. Ị na-apụ ihe na-ede? Akụ. Kụ.
N'ịma ntụgharị akwụkwọ ahụ, i were akụkụ nke ọzọ.
Aya bụ ihe na-ede. Akụ ihe nna ka nna ajụ ma ọ dịkwa.
Ọ dị bụrụ.
Akụ. Ụlọ nọ boodu.
Okay, yeah. Mkpụrụ ebe eji ede ya, yes, yes.
Akụ.
Kụ. O again.
Ahụ, abi?
Arụ.
Arụ kọ ahụ.
Arụ, that is
Akụkụ arụ.
Yeah, Igbo is where.
Arụ. You. So these are topic akụkụ arụ. Ngadenie. Akụkụ arụ. That's part of the body. It's very expedient to know the different parts of our body in Igbo language. Ọ dị oke mkpa na anyị mụtalụ akụkụ arụ dị iche iche. Okay? Auntie, anyị na-eme nke a nwa, ị na-akwadozi ịkụziri anyị agwa. How would you last topic? Agwa dị iche iche. That's colors.
Okay, you have it there.
I have all of them. Can make like you say that one. Are we good? Akụkụ ahụ. Akụkụ arụ. Akụkụ gịnị? Arụ.
That's part of the body.
Okay. Before we start looking at the slide at all, can anybody mention any part of the body you know, but it has to be in Igbo language? Any part of the body apart from what's on the board already? Okay. Afọ. Give it to us in English. Your stomach. Ire, your what? Is it? Ire is what? Yesterday, Auntie Nakuzela and Ire in the alphabet. Have you forgotten? And she said, Metu ire ga aka, touch your tongue. So Ire means what? The tongue. Beautiful. Good. Yes? Who knows any part of the body in Igbo before we start on this slide? Yes, Chobezi? Ntutu, that's the hair. Your hair, ntutu. Metu ntutu na aka. Touch your hair, let me see. Metu ntutu gi aka. Hair, beautiful. Is there another person? Okay, let's start with the number 1. We have what? Ntutu. Can we mention it? Ntutu. Again? Ntutu. Again? Ntutu. Ntutu means getting hair. Make sure you write the Igbo and you write the English translation. Ọ dị oke mkpa na idenye n'asụsụ Igbo ma adịkwuye n'asụsụ Bekee. Write it in Igbo language. You also write the translation in English language. Ntutu. Ntutu means what? Hair. Good. You can see how the girl's hair is neatly packed. Good. Ntutu. So this is the hair. You can see the screen. Good. Let me square here. Oh, the next one is what? The next one is what? Isi. Isi means what?
Head.
The head. Isi means what? Head. Are we there? Ngwa metu na isi na aka. Wolo ofu aka metu isi ga aka ki wolo ofu aka we na ede. Write with one hand and place the other hand on the head. Write with one hand and place the other hand on the head. Idechala of the ma isi. Have we done that? And idechala. Ọzọ bụ gịnị? Anya. Anyị fụkwara nke a nya. oge anyị na-anya na alphabet Igbo. I say na a gịnị bụ gịnị? Anya. Anya bụ gịnị? A bụ gịnị? Anya. Anya means the what? The eye. Okay? Anya means the what? And I hope you know it's a delicate part of the body. You don't joke with your eye. You don't let somebody throw something into your eye and all that. Jide, am I right?
Yes.
Is that correct? Beautiful. So your eye is a very delicate part of the body. So una kwesịrị ka mmadụ welaka tinye unu n'anya. Okay? Good.
You yourself.
Anya. Write the English translation today. I. Write the English translation. Okay? The next one. Nku anya. Nku anya. Can you see? Nku anya. Keriendo Igbo kolea?
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Nku anya. Nku anya unaka. Beautiful. I know sometimes when we go for parties, one will call makeup artist, isn't it? How many of you usually make up? Here. You make up and you add some, what do you call it?
I don't make up.
You don't make up? What, do you make up? Okay, that's good. But one makes up, right?
Yes.
They rub powder, they rub so many things. And when they come to this, their eyebrow, they also make it look good. So this is what we call what? Nku anya. Nku what? Nku anya. The eyebrow. Are we done with this? Ayedechala? Ayedechala. Please, I don't want to say this again. Write in Igbo and in English translation. Okay, Dechala. That's good. CK. Nkozi abu gini? Kedu nkozi abu? Imi. Nkozi abu gini? Imi. Ngwa metu imi gaka. Touch your nose. Metu imi gaka, that's the instruction. Wolo fuaka metu imi gaka. Use one hand to hold your nose. Yes, use one hand to write. Are we good? Nkozi abu gini? The next one is what? What's the next one? Nti is what? The ear. The ear. Nti means what? The ear. Good. I love how fast and smart all of you are this afternoon. Ear. Nti. Good. Alright, somebody mentioned this initially. Oh, I'm calling Kafa. Ire. Ire.
My Yoruba friend's name is Ire.
We have different meanings of different things. Ire. Ire means what?
Tongue.
The what? The tongue. Ire means what? The tongue. Ọzọ bụ gịnị? Nke ọzọ bụ gịnị? Ọnụ. Ọnụ. And that's sometimes somebody will say, mechie ọnụ. Somebody will tell you, mechie ọnụ. It means what? Close your mouth. Mechie ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ means close your mouth. So this is ọnụ. The mouth. Because that beginning. No, Jide, you're not listening. You're not right on. On the mouth. Okay, the next one is Eze. Show me your teeth, everyone. Ezegi, Gosim Ezegi. Some people are closing their teeth. All they want after is to that. I want to believe you all brushed. Did you? And so you probably love to show uncle your teeth. Zikon Ezegi. On your abuna. Ọ dị mma. Ngwa. Nke ọzọ ya bụ gịnị? Agba. Can I hear you say agba? Ngwa metụ agba gị aka. Na agba.
Last time I finished before you and I never did.
Agba. Touch your chin. Touch it. Jide, touch it. While you write, use one hand to touch it, use the other one to write. Agba. Agba. Are we good?
Yes.
Agba. So sometimes somebody can just do you like this. Nah, kedu. Somebody will just touch your chin and say, Jide, kedu. Yeah. Okay. Empty. That's what it is. Inshallah. Empty. Come on, keep going. Are we good?
Yeah.
You see fine now. Stop trying that. Idechala? Today, Idechala? Have you written? Nte, the cheek. Some people's cheeks are like, and they are so big, they have flesh, not flesh. They've eaten plenty chicken peri. Plenty chicken and turkey. So they have a big cheek.
My mom called that puff cheek.
Yes. Once the cheek is swollen up this way, not only swollen up per se, but then when it's too big, you say, hey! No point, the cheek is too big. Well, touch your cheek, let me see you. Beautiful, that's
I
it.
don't have that puff.
Okay. Okay, look at the lips. That's the lips. Let's write. Ebugbe. Abi? Ebugbe. Ono. How's the lips? Down. Thank you. Ebugbe. Ono. Are you ready to do it? Have you written that? Ebugbe. Ono. Ebugbe. Ono. We know that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to dig here. Ọzọ bụ onye nkụzi ka ife akpọ nke a ubu that's the what?
Shoulder.
The shoulder. The shoulder. I think you can see fine now. I've said you should stop throwing this.
Chicken on.
When you're in the class, you don't throw objects. It can mistakenly land on someone's eyes. By that time, you now start telling the person you are sorry. But meanwhile, the eye is gone. So there are some things you don't try while people are close to you. When you're alone, you can be throwing if it lands in your eye. You know they don't sell eye in the market. When you get to the market, the kind of eye you see is pussycat eye. And cow. Or cow eye. Or which one? or candy eye. That's on the lighter note, but the truth is that it's not good to throw sharp objects or anything around. Okay, even when you're alone or when you're with people. So, what we look out for our safety. What we look at our safety, look out for the safety of people next to us. Very important.
Right. Have you? So.
Okay. Did you write this, baby girl?
Yes.
Have you written that?
Yes.
Okay, so the next one is ubu, shoulder, okay. Oh, somebody mentioned this. Look at this person, Hey, this one has eaten to his satisfaction.
He has eaten very well.
He has eaten very well. Like how many plates?
20 plates.
20?
2,000 plates.
No, say it in Igbo. Iri abua, 20 plates. Oh my God. Nari, 100 plates?
No.
Wow.
20 plates of
Oh my God. Okay.
10 living top.
Each and all, what kind of food do you think?
Jollof rice.
Thanksgiving top.
Okpa the okpa. Okay.
Fish pie.
Can fish pie make somebody's stomach protrude like this? Turkey?
Yes.
What about apple? Fufu? Eba? Gari?
No.
Maybe like about nari pieces of gari.
Okay.
It's possible, right? Okay, that's on the lighter note. So this is what? Afo. Good. Stomach. Please, nobody's stomach should be as big as this my voice one on the screen. This is my good friend.
Wow.
This is my good friend. What do you say, Shakina?
Wow.
So you're not surprised. So don't let your stomach be as big as this. So you eat moderately. Ungane rini obere. So but then when you're done eating, if you're not satisfied, you can say achoromozo. But don't say achoromozo till you get to Nario.
Yes, I'll
If you say achoromozo till you get to Nario, then your stomach becomes like this. Your stomach becomes like this.
exactly like your friend.
Like my friend's stomach. Alright? The next one is Mpese Aka. That's finger. I think we came across this during the English alphabet yesterday. Mpese Aka.
It was there.
It was there, right? Good. And then look at Najo Mpese Aka no ne kunwe. And we go back on more Mpese Aka. Na nyi nwelo gene otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. Anyị nwere mkpịsị aka iri. We have 10 fingers.
So, there's never a dot on that S.
Yeah?
See?
Mkpịsị si aka. Okay?
In the alphabet, there's dots.
Yeah. Ngwa. Apata. That's the laps or the tie. Apata. You see, you wrote T. Where did you see T there? Njedebe maka akụkụ arụ. Okay. So we'll be able to examine all parts of the body. Give me any part of the body. When you give one part of the body or one akụkụ arụ, and you need to we talked about easy. We said easy. Obi. Yes, the chest or the heart. Isiaka. Foot.
Oku. Yes. So, make sentence with the body parts.
All of them.
Yes.
All of them.
Not all of them. Just
Only
3.
okay, 3.
Yes.
Let's make it 5.
No.
Let's make it 5.
No.
So that becomes a round figure. Let's make it 5. Yeah, the baby class will do 3. You will do 5. The bigger class will do 10. Good.
At least we're not in the bigger class.
Okay. It's very simple. Enwere mkpịsị aka iri. I have 10 fingers. Yes, that's where we'll come to assist. Enwere auntie na-elekwa anya.
That's NW.
N
E-N-W.
Elegonum E.
No, that W, you wrote W after E. So,
What?
N.
Ebidom.
E.
N.
E-N. E.
E.
N.
N. W.
E.
E.
R.
R.
E-N.
E. N.
N.
So this is spelling of Enwerem. Okay? Enwerem. Okay? If you want any other spelling or you want to make a sentence or you can't spell it, let me know. Start. Just 5. Any 5. Any 5. Enwerem. Nti. Abua. Jide. Look at it now. Nti. Enwerem. Nti. Abua. Abua means 2. You can go back and look at what 2 is. What is 2? You know to spell 2. Abua.
Wait, I have a question. I have a question.
Okay. Please, I have. That's the Enwerem. That's it here. I have. Enwerem. That's it here. Enwerem.
Agwo Nti.
Nti. Abua. Be writing it. Write it. Nti.
Abua.
Copywriting.
Okay. I used to do the two. This is the two. I'm looking for the first. Take them off first. Please, take them off first.
I have, isn't it?
Yes, I have.
If the video you must start the sentence with do you understand? Do you? Ask of the word 5. Start with N.
Not the last one.
Beautiful. Enwerem.
He said we should do 5 or 3.
Five.
Check them what you want to write.
Enwerem.
What is it? Okay, Enwerem.
Nti. Abua.
What is this? Our is cheap. Do you have 2? Enwerem. That's all.
Which other thing you want to write again? Which other thing? Enwerem again.
Zita. Let me see what I'm doing. Let me see.
Upstairs. Let them do their work.
Yes, I can do. Enwerem. Nti. Abua. Roll this thing out. Roll this one. Cancel the body. Kacha. Kacha, abo, kacha. Means cancel. Then write abo here. Do you understand? Write the abo there. Abo is they or this is o.
Let me help you out again.
O right? No. These are look at it. I want to do.
She's in class.
Okay, this is it beautiful. So what will you do? Then what will you see?
The dialogue name of Uma.
Is this the last time I
Oh,
went?
yes. Chia goes here. GCK.
No, don't rest me. We have one more thing to do. After this, we look at colors.
Sentences with part of the word.
It's peace, sir.
Sentences with part of the word.
Yes, sir. Peace, peace. Yes, sir.
Body part sentences.
Okay, go on. The colors, I always do that.
Me.
Did you see?
That is M.
Did you?
Well, I am
Number M.
M. Good.
Yes.
Right here. And also. Okay, so you will have to
So, now you swing the slide. Should I change the slide again? No. Okay, I did possible. I did. Ah, I ain't remember GP now. What's it what do we say? What do we? No.
No.
Hey, look what's problem. Call the police.
Hey, man. This man. This thing is open there.
I'm not getting that by state. One. That's the favors. On that one. I want to play with someone. Are you ready to go? Huh? How do you say it?
Chia goes in.
How do you say what? Longo. Long or tall?
Shaking a call.
This is more.
Shaking a
What's this?
Shaking a beer.
No, that's
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio,
Oh yeah.
in the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mecca,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, tukwa, oyo, eke, umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, umaki ibem. Kagutu no berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mecca,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name.
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, tukwa, oyo, eke, umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
in the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio,
Oh yeah.
in the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Neka,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, ukwa, ayo, ije, umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwakibem. Kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ini napio.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Neka,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, ukwa, ayo, ije, umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio,
Oh yeah.
in the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mecca,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini nafyo,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini nafyo,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, ikwa, oyo, eke, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki them. Kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mecca,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napyo.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, ikwa, oyo, eke, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki them. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio,
Oh yeah.
in the name,
Oh yeah.
in the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Meka,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wage marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wage marama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, iwa, ayo, ije, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, umaki bem, kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
ini napio,
Oh yeah.
ini neme,
Oh yeah.
ini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Meka,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wage marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wage marama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikenna,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
David,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, iwa, ayo, ije, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello kids, we're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, umaki bem, kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Ikwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey. Mwaki them. Kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wawa imwarama.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Ikwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey. Mwaki them. Kagutu no bereko. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh Ijoma,
a fine girl,
Amaka,
a fine girl,
Ngozi,
a fine girl,
Vivian,
a fine girl,
Linda,
a fine girl,
Emma,
a fine girl,
Bella,
a fine girl.
yes, oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
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 Ini neme,
oh yeah,
Agini napio,
oh yeah,
Agini neme,
oh yeah,
Agini napio,
oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy,
Who is in the garden?
a little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no,
Can I come and see him?
no, 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 no.
Oh, you know ni mwabubo.
Mwa wage marama,
Oh, you know ni mwabubo.
mwa wage marama.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam,
Mwene kifuya.
bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy,
Chukuma.
a fine boy,
Ikenna.
a fine boy,
Chibike.
a fine boy,
David.
a fine boy,
Kenneth.
a fine boy,
Brian.
a fine boy,
Daniel.
a fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
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 Agini neme.
oh yeah,
Agini napio.
oh yeah,
Agini neme.
oh yeah,
Agini napio.
oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Nkwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki bem, Agutu no berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
boys, oh yeah,
oh yeah,
girls, oh yeah,
oh yeah,
girls, oh yeah,
oh yeah,
Ini neme,
oh yeah,
Ini napio,
oh yeah,
Ini neme,
oh yeah.
Ini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl,
Who is it regarding?
a little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no,
Can I come and see her?
no, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama,
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam,
mweri kifuya.
bam, 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 bam.
Neka,
A fine girl,
Ijoma,
a fine girl,
Amaka,
a fine girl,
Ngozi,
a fine girl,
Vivian,
a fine girl,
Linda,
a fine girl,
Emma,
a fine girl,
Bella.
a fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
Girls, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Girls, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Girls, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Ini neme,
oh yeah,
Agini napio,
oh yeah,
Agini neme,
oh yeah,
Agini napio.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy,
Who is in the garden?
a little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no,
Can I come and see him?
no, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mwabubo.
Wawa imwarama,
Oh yeah, no ni mwabubo.
wawa imwarama.
Mwene kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam,
Mwene kifuya.
bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy,
Chukuma.
a fine boy,
Ikenna.
a fine boy,
Chibike.
a fine boy,
David.
a fine boy,
Kenneth.
a fine boy,
Brian.
a fine boy,
Daniel.
a fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
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 Agini neme.
oh yeah,
Agini napio.
oh yeah,
Agini neme.
oh yeah,
Agini napio.
oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Nkwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata, umata. So Kids TV. Hello kids, we're so happy you're here. Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki bem, Agutu no berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
Boys, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Girls, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Girls, oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Ini neme,
oh yeah,
Agini napio,
oh yeah,
Agini neme,
oh yeah.
Agini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl,
Who is it regarding?
a little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no,
Can I come and see her?
no, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama,
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam,
mweri kifuya.
bam, bam, bam,
Ijoma,
a fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
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 Ini neme,
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo,
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? No. Can I come and see him? No. Oh, yeah, no, ni mo bubo. Oh, yeah, no, ni mo bubo. When it keep for ya. When it keep for ya. Emeka. Chukuma. Ikenna. Chibike. David. Kenneth. Brian. Daniel. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Agini neme. Agini nafyo. Agini neme. Agini nafyo. Egu. Dance. Ukwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata. So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki them. I go to know better. Hello, kids. It's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Meka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini name.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? No. Can I come and see him? No. Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. When it keep for ya. When it keep for ya. Emeka. Chukuma. Ikenna. Chibike. David. Kenneth. Brian. Daniel. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Agini neme. Agini nafyo. Agini neme. Agini nafyo. Egu. Dance. Ukwa. Oyo. Eke. Umata. So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki them. I go to know better. Hello, kids. It's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Can I come and see her?
No.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no need more bubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Meka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian. yeah. Yes, oh yeah. Yes, oh yeah. Any name. Agini napio. Agini name. Agini napio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? Can I come and see him? Oh, you know ni mwabubo. Oh, you know ni mwabubo. Mwene kifuya. Mwene kifuya. Emeka. Chukuma. Ikenna. Chibike. David. Kenneth. Brian. Daniel. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Agini neme. Agini napio. Agini neme. Agini napio. Egu. Dance. Iwa. Ayo. Eke. Umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Umaki them. I go to know better. Hello, kids. It's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Meka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini name.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? Can I come and see him? Oh, you know ni mwabubo. Oh, you know ni mwabubo. Mwene kifuya. Mwene kifuya. Emeka. Chukuma. Ikenna. Chibike. David. Kenneth. Brian. Daniel. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Agini neme. Agini napio. Agini neme. Agini napio. Egu. Dance. Iwa. Ayo. Eke. Umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Umaki them. I go to know better. Hello, kids. It's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam 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 bam.
Meka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name. Ogini nafio. Ogini neme. Ogini nafio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? Can I come and see him? Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. When it kifu ya. When it kifu ya. Emeka. Chukuma. Ikenna. Chibike. David. Kenneth. Brian. Daniel. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah. Ogini neme. Ogini nafio. Ogini neme. Ogini nafio. Egu. Dance. Pop. Oyo. Eke. Umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwaki bem. Kagu tu no berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini nafio,
Oh yeah.
gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini nafio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mecca,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme,
Oh yeah.
ogini nafio.
Oh yeah.
Ogini neme,
Oh yeah.
ogini nafio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden? Who is in the garden? Can I come and see him? Can I come and see him? Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. Oh yeah, no ni mo bubo. When it kifu ya.